Hey, welcome to Ward Wrenching. Today we're going to be talking about an adjustable wrench or a crescent wrench. We're going to go over what it is, how does it work, when do we use it when we're working on a car, how much should we really spend for it. First, the heads up. So this here is a crescent wrench or adjustable wrench. Crescent wrench is actually the brand name, just like Channel Locks is a brand name. If you're looking for this on Amazon or Home Depot or whatever, you can type adjustable wrench. If you're in the garage, you can just ask somebody for a crescent wrench. They're going to give you this. So how does this work? We have the main body here with the handle and grip, and then we have an adjustable tooth here, or adjustable jaw, and then we have our gear here. We twist the gear to close or open depending on which way we are orienting the wrench. So when do we use this? This is great for when we're working on a fitting, a bolt, whatever, and we don't have the exact size wrench for it. You're best using a proper wrench, but sometimes we don't have the exact type of metrics or standard wrench or whatever that we need for this particular situation. They also make these in aluminum. So that is great for if you're working on aluminum fittings. You can use a wrench like this, tighten her down right on your, like a fuel fitting that's made of aluminum. You can use your aluminum adjustable wrench, and you're not going to mar up your fitting. It's going to look nice and clean. I don't use this that much, but it works great whenever I don't have the proper size wrench for what I'm working on. This is a great tool to have in your glove box. So you don't want to, so let's just say you don't want to carry an entire set of wrenches and everything. Put an adjustable wrench, a pair of groove pliers, a pair of needle nose pliers in your tool in your glove box at the least, and that should be able to help you figure out a lot of problems that you might experience on the road instead of carrying an entire toolbox. Now there's other tools that you might want, such as like a fuse tester and things, but we'll deal with all that stuff later. How much should you spend on a adjustable wrench? You can get a set on Amazon for $22. That'll get you a large, medium, and small set. Link in the description there. This brand right here is a Pittsburgh. It's a Harbor Freight brand. It's worked just fine for me. So if you're interested in purchasing yourself an adjustable wrench, go check out the link in the description. And then go check out our website at wardwrenching.com. That'll get you signed up for our email list. You'll have access to our free garage checklist. So that'll help you get set up with all the different tools you need to start working on your car, as well as advanced tools that you might not have thought of yet. And then if you found value in this video, go ahead and share it with a friend.